What's going on, guys? Today I got a special treat because we have actually never done one of these vehicles before. We got the 2012 Fiat 500. So let's get started. Starting things off, we got the beautiful silver, metallic silver on the outside. Fog lamps, these bug eyes for the headlamps, aftermarket rims, tinted windows. But as you can tell, we have the all black and silver interior. You got the leather with the cloth right here. These are where your power windows are at. All of your weather settings right in the middle. Got a glove compartment with original owner's literature right there. As you can see, you have the USB plus the auxiliary port right there. And this is your stereo right there. And it does actually bring a CD player for those of us that still listen to CDs. Switchblade keys, you just click it, boom. Unlock, lock, and trunk. Right here is your hood latch, so just pop that open. And this is your OBD2, which is directly above the hood latch. Let's go ahead and turn it on. This is what your cluster looks like. This specific unit has 102,000 miles. Up here, you have your dome lights, and you also have your visor with a mirror to make sure that you're looking pretty for the day. And they do too. You got handles for them in case you're driving like a maniac. You don't have one for yourself though, but you do have these little clothes hangers. I think that's what they're actually for. That's what all of us use them for. Let's go ahead and put the seat all the way back. Okay, and you can use this latch right here to raise the seat. And in order to put it into a comfortable position, you can just pull this handle right there. In the trunk right here, you have honestly, considering the size of the car, it's a pretty spacious trunk. It could probably fit about 1.5, maybe 2 bodies if you chop them up. And you also have floor mats right here, all weather floor mats, so they're a little bit more resistant. You got your jack and wrench right here, and your spare is right underneath. This is what it looks like to be riding in the back right here. Not the most amount of room, but honestly not the worst. Maybe like 1/4 of an inch in there. But anyway, I'm 5'10", and that's what you're looking at. I have decently sized legs. This is what it looks like up here, so not too much room, but so if you were gonna be like 6 foot or bigger, probably wouldn't be the most comfortable. But anyway, you have these rear pockets right here to be able to store some extra stuff with the little speakers right there. All right, so under the hood, we have ourselves the 4-cylinder, 1.4 liter engine. So you would think that this thing would not get too much power, and you'd be right. It's about 101 horsepower, but the trade-off is it has a 366 mile range, a 6-speed automatic transmission, so it's actually pretty good city driving. Not very many cars actually end up getting that good of a city mileage, which would take about $45 to fill up. All right, so some pros about this car. It's very ambitious styling. Obviously, not very many cars out there that have this unique of a look. It's also very economical. Like, you can get most of these cars for a very, very good price. A lot of them brand new come for like under 15,000. Used, you could definitely get them for under 10,000. So great cars, especially for like kids, any of you that are wanting to get just a commuter, anybody that's just going around town, doesn't want to spend too much money, definitely a car to go with. The cons, definitely a little bit cramped in there, as you noticed, for the people in the back. And it's not going to get the best of acceleration. Once they start getting into the US market a little bit more, we're probably going to see a lot more of these cars. Now, if you are wanting to consider other cars in this size, you could consider something like a Kia Rio, which I would highly recommend, a Kia Forte, a Hyundai Accent, a Honda Fit, Mitsubishi Mirage. All of those are really, really good options for you to go with. Now, this was the 2012 Fiat 500 Sport. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Please just drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well so you can see more of my ugly mug. If you do have any questions about a other buy here, pay here company that you might be considering, or if you just want to purchase from us, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our phone number is 559-577-0534. You could also shoot us an email or just a contact form page so that we can reach out to you directly. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.